Good day everyone, I go by the name Skywealth. Please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, as an affiliate marketer, one of the things that can make you is an exception in the game, in the market, or that can make a difference in your results is the way you promote or your source of traffic to your site, because the source of traffic to your site will determine how your site how your sales will be. As can see on the screen, this is the result of one of my students who got my affiliate marketing software and has been doing fine. As can see on the screen, it's really good. $463, $692. As can see on the screen, it's doing fine. So you got my software, affiliate marketing software, which I've been using to generate leads online for a while now, and he has also been getting wonderful results, as you can see on the screen. So my software works by generating this online and sending your link or your link to this lead, and as you can see on the screen, it is very efficient. So to get the software today, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skywealth07@gmail.com, or contact me on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Remember, you don't need to have any previous knowledge about the software or about Clickbank before you can use the software, because I have a complete video course which will take you step by step on how to use the software. The complete video course will take you step by step on how to use the software, and you don't need to have any previous knowledge about affiliate marketing either. Also, this software is applicable to other affiliate marketing platform. It's not only applicable to Clickbank, it can work with any affiliate marketing program platform. So remember, this is a software that you can use in different aspects of digital marketing. So to get the software today, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skywealth07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to the number in the description of this video. Thank you.
Purchase your